Hello, in this video I would like to explain how to make a music video with a free online software called Kizoa. So yes, it is an online software. So first, please type the name of the website. It is kizoa.com. When you see the page, please select sign up. And as much as I hope that you will do everything in English, the sign up and the music video, if you find it too challenging, please know that you can change the language right here. Right now we are in English, but Japanese is available. To register, you will need to use your email address. Since you work in a group, choose one email address for the whole group. Please note that the Chukyo email address is not working right now, so use your own private email address. Then choose a password. Again, make sure that everybody in your group knows the password and write it down in your booklet. There's a space in your booklet to write these pieces of information. Finally, check this box and then you can click Get Started. This is the next screen you should see, and you have different choices at the top. Right now, my images is selected, but what I would like you to do now is click on Movie Maker. So you have clicked right here on Movie Maker and you should have this window opening. And basically what they're telling you is that you can use a template, meaning the layout, the font, and maybe some background are already chosen for you, or you can start from scratch, which means from nothing, right? So you will decide everything. Personally, I like from scratch better, and this is what I chose to explain how to do it in this video. Next, you will have to make two decisions. First, the orientation of the video. By all means, choose landscape. The second thing you will have to decide, and this is something I'm not exactly sure what is the best option, is the format. I think 3:2, it's the ratio, the size of the video on the screen, is probably the best, but maybe also 16:9 might be also okay. So if you're not sure, maybe you can try different versions, but I definitely think 1:1 is not a good idea. It's a square, and the screen that we have to project the videos is not square. So maybe try 3:2, maybe 16:9. I'm not sure about 4:3. After the orientation and the format, you will see this screen. So you are in Movie Maker, and now you have to look up here. These are all the things that you can add into your music video. So first, I will focus on photo, and obviously this is my first time using Kizoa, so I don't have any photos or videos inside my account, so I need to add photos and or videos. I will show how to add photos. After you click on Add Photos, you have this window that appears. So I decided to choose photos from my computer because my Facebook pictures are not really well organized, so it would take me too much time to find the pictures I want. but just so that you know, you could do it, right? If you are better organized than I am on Facebook, by all means, you can also choose pictures from Facebook. So I chose photos from my computer. After I chose the pictures, they all appeared here. So now I have the pictures that I would like to use for the music video, and maybe I'll add more later. But right now I think I have the ones that I want. And amazingly, it's a very, very easy process to add pictures to your movie. You just click on the picture and then drag where you want it. So let's say the first picture I want is this one. So I clicked on it and I dragged it and I put it there. And that's it. It is right where you want it to be. Once you've chosen a picture, then you have this window which appears. So you have different options, and the first one is no crop. Basically, the picture is going to look like the way it is in your photo library. So if your pictures are the way you want, then you just choose no crop. The other option is called automatically. So in this case, the photos and the videos that you add, they will be centered, so put in the middle, and also cropped, so cut, so that they will fill the slides and there will be no empty space. So maybe if your pictures are not all the same size, maybe this is something you could consider. But then it's the same for all pictures, so it might not work for every single picture. So that's why you have this option, the smart option. And in this case, they will be fitted to best fill the slide. And this is maybe a good idea because it will not overcrop, so it will not cut too much of the picture. Once you've decided, click on confirm. The next thing is adding transitions. You don't have to, but as you will see in some of the music videos that were made in the past, sometimes a nice transition here and there makes it very interesting, right? So again, it's a drag system. So you select the transition and then you drag it between the photos you have just put in your music video. And yes, there are boxes to show you exactly where to go. So let's say that I want to use the transition, right? We are here in this tab up there, transitions. I want to use melting, so I click on melting and then I drag it on the T for transition. Next, let's add text. So click on the tab text and you have all these options appearing. It's a little overwhelming for me, so I tend to use very simple text. But again, maybe in your music video, you might need to be a bit fancier, and that's totally fine with me. Just explore the different options. You can scroll up and down here on this side to see all the available options. When you click on a type of text, then this is the window you have. So basically what you have to do is type your text right here, and you will have an idea of what it looks like on the right side. Also, you can, as you see, change the text size. You can have different effects. You can change the color, and you can change where the text is. Right now it's in the middle, but you could have it higher up if you go to top, or you could have it lower down if you go to bottom. So you really have a lot of options, right? And then when you're ready, click enter. The software will show you what your slide is going to look like. If you're not too happy, you can go and modify, and then also you can decide to add some animations or effects, right? Then when you're done, again, click enter. Now, another important function in the software is that you are able to change the slide duration. This means that you can change how long you see the slide. So you click on the slide and you have this window that appears. And by the way, yes, you can add text, you can add animations, you can add effects, you can even edit, change the photo. But what I'm focusing on now is the duration, right? How long you see the slide. In this case, it's 30 seconds, but maybe you want it to be a bit longer, so you can start increasing it step by step and see how it works. Or maybe you want it for less than 30 seconds, and then you just use this arrow. And also, you can apply the duration, the time you can see the photo, for the whole movie. So each slide will show that same amount of time. Right? And you can test, right? Before deciding for sure, you can test and it's going to show to you what it would look like. Once you're done, click on enter. Right here. Last but not least, let's add music, because yes, we are making a music video. In the music tab, Kizoa will show you this little message. It is about uploading your music. So yes, you can upload your own music from your computer. In our case, it's more from your USB. And please pay attention to the format of the music file. These are the formats available. So when you upload your music, make sure that the format of the file is one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Formats. Then you can go add my music to the Kizoa list, and Kizoa will guide you to getting the music from your computer or your USB. Once your music has been uploaded, it should be here, my music. As you can see, I have now one element. I wouldn't put an S right now, but it's called Unintentional Heroes. That's my music. Right? And then, again, it's drag and drop. So I took the music file and I dropped it right here under slide number 1, right at the beginning. But if you don't want the music to start right on the first slide, then you can grab it and drag it at the beginning of the second or third or fourth, right? So you can choose where the music starts by dragging it under the slide that you are interested in. When you're done, you can share. So you can share your movie, and you'll see you'll share it twice in class. And I've tried 2 options. I have tried YouTube, but with the basic account, which is what you usually see here next to your email address, with the basic account, meaning the free account, if you upload it onto YouTube, you will have the sign Kizoa in a corner. I don't like that too much, so I decided to not do it this way. But if you post on Facebook, then there is no Kizoa logo, right? So you can have a nice video on Facebook without the Kizoa logo. And actually, I will ask you to do it this way, because to get feedback from your classmates, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. And also when we do the final version, when everybody, the whole class watches all the music videos, it will be way easier to do it through Facebook. This is it. I hope you enjoy making your music video. Thank you.